You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? A very, very interesting name this one is. Okay, so because I am French, I'm gonna give you, because that definitely looks like a name that was given by the French. City in Maryland. Havre de Grace is how it's said in French. Havre de Grace, okay? But locally in the US, it's definitely not pronounced that way. Havre de Grace. Havre de Grace. Havre de Grace is how it's said, or in French again, Havre de Grace, which means the Grace's harbor. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.